Michael here from Matchstix. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rodelink Filmmaker's Kit. Rose sent me a set of their Filmmaker's Kit to review. For the purpose of this video, I wanted to match it up against my Sennheiser G2, specifically in a live events environment like a wedding, to see how well it'll match up. I really enjoy working with the unit, and here are my thoughts. What I really love about this kit is that the learning curve is small. You don't have to have extensive training in audio to get great sound out of it. And for a lot of wedding shooters who either don't have a background in audio or just don't have the time to devote to this area, the Rodelink is a great way to get the sound you need without much fuss. The Rodelink pairs easily via 8 pre-assigned Wi-Fi channels, so instead of having to search for open frequencies, all you do is press the pairing button on the receiver, select the channel you want to use, and hit the pairing button on the transmitter, and you're ready to go. So far, I've not lost connection or experienced an interruption, even in a busy airport like LAX. The receiver has this great feature where it tells you the battery level of the transmitter, so you never have to second guess how much power is left on the speaker. Both the transmitter and receiver have level controls built on the pack, so instead of fidgeting with a menu to dial in your levels, you can manually adjust it to the preferred level. The audio quality on the Rodelink is superb. We typically mic all of our speakers at a wedding, so I took this as an opportunity to compare the Rodelink against the G2, and to be honest, I actually prefer the audio from the Rodelink than my G2. So far, I have not come across any audio recordings that have had noise issues with the Rodelink, but I have with my G2. Another thing that I really love is that the antenna is built into the unit and not poking out. On other systems, once you've damaged the antenna, you're now susceptible to hits and hisses. The all-in-one design on the Rodelink makes it easy to pack without having to worry about smashing the antenna, and it also fits snugly into your case during travel. Now onto the not so good. Since the antenna is built in, the overall size of the unit is much bigger than the other kits. This doesn't seem like much, but I've noticed that it's a bit harder to hide on a groomsman. Not a deal breaker, but it would be nice to see a smaller unit in version 2. Another thing is that the kit comes only with a 3.5mm cable. This is fine if you're going to mount the receiver directly into a small camera, but it's impossible to use with a more professional setup. We run a dual setup with the Zoom H6, which by default accepts 1/4 inch and XLR inputs. The only way to connect the Rodelink with an H6 is to either use the stereo mic attachment or buy the VXLR adapter. I think as a professional kit, Rode should just include this adapter. Even with some of the drawbacks, the Rodelink Filmmaker's Kit is still a better solution than most other kits out there, simply because of how easy it is to use, the excellent audio quality, and the affordable price point. So these are my thoughts on the Rodelink Filmmaker's Kit. If you'd like to see a more technical video or have suggestions on what you'd like to see next, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. I'll catch you on the next one.